How to add clickable link on Instagram Reels. What's up everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily add clickable links on Instagram Reels. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. Alright, let's continue. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are logged in to your Instagram account. And from here, all you have to do is swipe right on your screen to access your camera and your story section. Now, all you have to do is head over to the reel section right here at the bottom, then record a short clip. Once you have recorded this short clip, what you can do is tap on next, and here you have multiple options. You just have to tap on this sticker icon and search for link right here. So you're just going to search for link, and you can even add an emoji here, or you have an option to add link to your bio. So you will just have to find that GIF. So here are many options for link and bio. I'm just going to choose this one because this one is really big. And once you choose your GIF, you have to tap on next and then simply share your Instagram reel. Then all you have to do is head over to your profile and then edit your profile. Now all you have to do here is add link on your bio. You will see this option right here. You have an option to add external link. You can just type in your link, and once you do that, tap on OK at the top right corner. And as you can see, a link has been added to your profile. Now the people that will see you or see your Instagram reel will see this link in bio option, and they will visit your profile where they will find the link like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I will see you next time.